Welcome to our leather manufacturing facility. Today, I'll take you through every stage of how premium Grey Brahman cattle hides are transformed into luxury.
Each hide is carefully refined, colored, and finished to meet luxury manufacturing standards. Every luxury leather product undergoes multiple inspections before being approved for customers worldwide. Quality metrics are stable, moisture levels holding steady at 15%.
Acknowledged. Adjusting temperature variance by 2 degrees. Schematics confirm the flow rate.
The gauge reads 2.4 millimeters here. All right, classifying it as Group A, standard size. And that's how premium Grey Brahman bull horns are transformed into luxury handcrafted products, from raw natural horn to world-class craftsmanship. Thanks for joining us.